Hey, what's going on? Lights and buttons here. I was flying my drone the other day, and I noticed that the left antenna seems to be a little bit loose. If I jolt the controller a little bit, you can start seeing it change positions, and this especially happens if I fold it up here, and I go like this. You can see it fall down. Now, the right antenna seems to be pretty solid. It's not really moving around any wind or some jolts, and it's still remaining in the same position, which is what you want. Now, I don't really fly the drone that far away, so I don't notice any performance hit in terms of the left antenna being misaligned, but I would like the antennas to stay where I put them. One quick fix that I found was to use a rubber band. So if you're like me and you don't want to open up the controller and risk breaking something, you can use this rubber band method. So this temporary fix, if you're on the road, will allow you to stabilize your antenna right away, and you want to stretch this over the cord, the USB cord, and then have it wrap around and hold the antenna. So the antenna can still move, but if you jolt it a little bit, it's staying in the same position. That way it's a little bit more stable. You can still control your camera angle, you can still record your video. The return to home button is still pressable. It does cover, the rubber band does cover the home button, but no big deal there, you can still press it. So there you have it. You have the DJI Mavic Pro controller with the left antenna stabilized. I hope you enjoyed this little quick clip here at Lights and Buttons. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. We'll see you next time.